welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a Cosmic unboxing. I'm so freaking excited. As you guys know, Cosmic is a brand that's in New Zealand. They have their own shops. They've got a few in Christchurch, and oh my god, they have the best freaking beauty products ever. So I've got this box from them and I'm excited to see what's inside. So I don't know, so I'm super excited. So without further ado, let's open her up. Alrighty. What the frick? Oh my god, okay, so yes! This is literally like mood central. So Cosmic sells a whole bunch of stuff like hemp products, they sell gifts, sunglasses, they sell vapes, they sell bongs or vases. So they're kind of like your alternative kind of shop. I love going there. You can get incense, hair dye, beauty things, your clothes, you name it, it's there. Salt lamps, all that shit, it's all freaking there. So they also have these, and I always see these when I go in store and I freaking love them. And now I've got my own ones. Oh my god, I love them. If you guys want to name them down in the comments down below. What's this red guy? He could be, like a Martin maybe, and this yellow one like a Philip. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments down below. Oh my god, those are so silly. What the frick? Alrighty, so I have this letter. Oh my god, is that freaking glitter on the inside? What the frick? Yes. Alrighty, so it says, hey Cerise, here's your box of Cosmic Halloween goodies. Halloween box, yes. Have fun playing, reviewing, and posting about these. We love your work. Appreciate ya, ex Shaz at Cosmic. Thanks Shaz, thanks everyone at Cosmic. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ah! I'm so ready. Okay. Oh my god, I love the freaking like effort that's gone into this. This is so cute. I adore this. I'm like, I love this. There's glitter all over my table. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, so let's get some of this. Wow, okay, there's a lot of freaking Halloween things in here. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, cool. So I appear to have 2 sets of contact lenses here. Oh my god, what kind of looks could I create with them? Oh my god. Halloween looks, yes, come at me. These retail for $32.95 as well. You can get all these crazy ones here. Oh my god, the zombie, the red blood. Oh my god, red like eyes. Oh my god, that's so spooky. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so freaking excited. So I got my little finger boys. I've got my little monster finger puppets there, yes. And then, oh, a Tony Moly product. So this is the Hello Bunny perfume. The perfume bar. Oh my god, I love Tony Moly. I'm like, yes, thank you. I'm ready. Oh, so what do we have here? So this is, oh my god, this is candles. Okay, guys. So they also specialize in like incense, candles, that kind of thing. And these retail for $9.95. And I think they're just like black candles. I'm like, oh my god, I'm so excited to just get these out and have them just like as my background. Hopefully I don't catch on fire, but we will see. I cannot wait to see how freaking beautiful these are. I'm getting real like in the Halloween mood now. I'm just like, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see these candles. Oh, they smell good. Oh goodness. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at it. That is like, imagine that just like in a little stick. Oh my god, that's so spooky dooky. Ah, oh my god. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, let's put you away, little candle. Okay, some candles there. So I've just freaking seen that these bleed when they're lit. They literally bleed when they're lit. Oh my god, I am so excited for these freaking candles. Yeah. Oh, and then, oh my god, stop it. There's a Cosmic branded air freshener. That is so cool. Oh my god, if you guys want any of this stuff, you can pick it up at cosmic.co.nz, or you can go search them on Instagram as well. Oh, I have another Sugar Pill liquid lipstick. This is in its shade Strange Love. So I wonder what shade that is. There is so much glitter everywhere. I'm living for it. That is freaking amazing. Oh, stop it. Look at this color. Very Halloween-y. I'm feeling some kind of like devil like look coming on. I don't know. I don't know what I'm thinking. What are you guys thinking? It's the Scary McCleary season. It's the Scary McCleary season, I'll tell you that. Okay. Oh, and then what do I have here? I've got some Tony Moly masks. I've got the I'm Lemon Rude traffic. I've got the I'm Lemon layering mask, the I'm Peach layering mask, and the I'm Green Tea layering mask. Oh, I'm so excited to try them. You can get them for 3 for $10 or just, I think they're like $3.99 each. It's so freaking good. And yes, the air fresheners are $4.95 as well. I will list all the prices down below. And then we have have here, what are these? So we've got 2 shades of directions here, guys. So looks like I'm dyeing my hair, guys. Who wants a video on that? All right. Oh, stop it. Oh my God. It's my freaking shade. Look. Oh, shade Cerise. Oh my God, that is so funny. Like, I've never had my name on absolutely anything, and then it was on here and I was so excited. And I've honestly used this one when I had my bright pink hair. My hair was the color of Cerise for so long, and I'm like, oh, guys, is pink getting a reboot? I don't know, but I'm like, oh my God, yes. Shade Cerise, I'm so stoked. And I got a wee little brush, directions brush as well. That's so freaking cool, so I can put it on here. Might need to lighten my hair though to kind of get it to stick. And then, oh, what is this? Stop it, what is this shade? Shade Tangerine, are you serious? Yes? Oh my God, my hair is gonna be looking so snatched. Oh my God, this is so pretty. They look very similar shades as well, so I'm really excited to try them in my hair and see how they turn out as well. Oh my God, that is so cool. Oh my God, yay! Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm trying, like, I can't stop saying oh my God because I'm just so thinking about all the things that I can do for Halloween. Now I'm just like, oh my God, I've got so many things. Oh, I'm ready. Okay, so what do you guys think about all the stuff that I got from Cosmic? Do you guys like any of the products, and are you thinking of picking up yourself any? Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to try any of these things. I feel like the contacts are going to be a must-have. I'm going to have to do like a whole look. I don't even know. But yeah, until next time, I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye! Happy Halloween too, bitches. Bye!